If you're searching for Coursera AI courses ranked, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, the best AI course isn't the one with the most students. It's the one that matches your current skill level and career goal. Here's how I'd rank the most popular AI-related Coursera programs for most learners in 2026. HasHone, AI for Everyone. If you're completely new to artificial intelligence, this is the best starting point. No coding, no technical background, and no complex math. It helps you understand what AI is, how businesses use it, and where the technology is heading. Hash2, Prompt Engineering. This is one of the most practical AI skills you can learn today. If you want to use AI tools more effectively for work, content creation, marketing, business, or productivity, prompt engineering delivers value immediately. Hash3, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. For learners who want technical skills, this is one of the strongest programs available. It introduces Python, data analysis, machine learning concepts, and real-world projects that build a foundation for AI careers. Hash4, Machine Learning Programs. These are ideal for learners who want to understand how AI models actually work. They require more commitment but provide deeper knowledge of machine learning concepts. Hash5, AI for Business Programs. Perfect for managers, entrepreneurs, marketers, and professionals who want to understand how AI can improve decision-making and business performance without becoming engineers. So if you're searching for the best AI courses on Coursera, AI certifications, prompt engineering courses, machine learning courses, AI for beginners, or Coursera AI programs, here's the simple ranking. Start with AI for Everyone. Move into prompt engineering. Choose IBM Data Science if you're interested in technical AI careers. Then explore machine learning and advanced AI specializations as your skills grow. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.